Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told a survey was given to residents of all 50 states asking if they had earned a bachelor's degree or higher. The results from 7 of these states are given in the table below. We're told that the median for all 50 states was 26.95%. We're asked what is the difference between the median of these 7 states and the median for all 50 states. So first we have to find the median for all 7 because we already have the one for all 50. So the easiest way to find the median of these 7 values is to list them in increasing order, and then we will see what we do from there. So the lowest value is 19.5, and I'm just going to cross them off to make sure I count them all. Next we have 21.9. After that it looks like 25.9 is our next smallest, then 27.9, then 30.1, then 35.5, and 36.4. So what is the median of this? Well, if we cross off 1 from each end and keep doing that, we will get the middle value of the increasing list, and the middle value is the median, so the median is 27.9%. So for all 50 states, it's 26.95. For just the 7, it's 27.9. So what is the difference between these? Well, it's just 27.9 minus 26.95. You just subtract them, and you get 0.95%. Gonna write the percents in there, whatever. 0.95% lines up to B, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.